This is the solution of worksheet 6 mathematics class 9, and the chapter is 5 linear equation or simultaneous linear equation in two variables. So the first question is we have to find the value of x and y using the method of elimination. So here these are the two equations, and in this equation in this two equation here, adding 1 and 2 we get, because in this case in these two equations here 3x and 3y both are actually equal, so we don't have to multiply anything in these two equations. So here just add these two equations, then these two will cancel out, and then 2x plus 2x is 4x, and this equal to 23. So x equal to 23 by 4 here. Then put this value 23 by 4 in the in any equation here. You can put x equal to 23 by 4 in either equation 1 or 2. You will get the same value. So here I have put the value of x in equation 1. So after putting and then solving, the value of y will be minus 11 by 6. So we have two values. We have the value of x is 23 by 4 and the value of y is minus 11 by 6. So this is the answer of this question. The next one is again the same, that is the question. By using the we have to find the value of x and y using the elimination method here. So in this see that it is 2x plus 3y equal to 32, and other is here 11y. See that x and y, and here y and x. So it is 11y and 9x equal to 3. So here rearrange these two equations so that x will be on the left side and y will be on the left side here. If we can also solve these, no problem, but if you arrange it, then it will be better. So here it is 2x plus 3y, and here also write minus 9x plus 11y equal to 3. Now here we have arranged, that is we have written x in the one column and here also y in the one column here. So it will be better to solve like this. Otherwise we can also solve in this way. So this is you will do then first. Next here we have to find the value of x and y using the elimination method here. So first make the coefficient of x or y equal. So here I am making the coefficient of x equal here. That is here it is 2 and this is here minus 9. So if you make the coefficient of x equal here, then multiply this equation with 9. That is 9 into 2x, 9 into 3y, and 9 into 32 here. And then because 9 to the 18 here, then multiply this with 2. That is 9 to the 18 here again. So 9 to the 18 and 11 to the 22 and 3 to the 6 here. So multiply this equation with 9 and this equation with 2. And then adding, because this is positive and this is negative. So we will add to get these two terms cancelled here. That is why you are multiplying equation 1 by 9 and equation 2 by 2, and then adding the resulting equations we get here. So here this is the equation after multiplying. So and see that here 18x and 18x here. This is plus 18x and this is minus 18x here. That is why after adding it will be cancelled out. If you subtract, then it will not cancel out. So here we have to add actually. So these two are added here. So this is cut here, and this is 49, and this is 94 here. Then next is here this, that is y equal to 294 by 49, that is 6 here. Now put the value of y equal to 6 in equation 1, or you can put in the equation 2 also. You will get the same answer. So here I am putting the value of y equal to 6 in equation 1. Then after solving, and we will get x equal to 7. So x equal to 7 and y equal to 6 is the answer by using elimination method. And the question number 3 is by here we have to solve these two equations by using the comparison method here, by comparing two equations here. So in comparing, we will find the value of x from both or y from both. Okay, so here I have found the value of x here, that is x equal to 2 plus 2y by 3, and from this x equal to 43 minus 3y by 7. So now here x equal to this and x equal to this. So it means that this and this are equal. So this equal to this. So taking this and this are equal and then solving, we will get the value of y. So here now here after solving, then y equal to 5 I got here, and then put the value of y equal to 5 in equation 1 or equation 2, you can put. So, and then here after solving, you will get x equal to 4. So here x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. So this is how we solve by using the method of comparison. And the question number 4 is also solving by comparison here. So see that it is 4x minus 3y equal to 18, and other is 4y minus 5x equal to minus 7. So that is from equation 1 we get x equal to this, and from equation 2 you will get this here, that is 5x equal to 4y plus 7, or x equal to this. Again because x equal to this and other is there also, so from 3 and 4 equation we will get this and this are equal, and then after cross multiplying and solving we will get y equal to 62 here. So, and putting the value of y equal to 62 in equation 1 here, and then we will get x equal to 51. So answer is x equal to 51 and y equal to 62. So this is the solution of worksheet 6. Okay, I hope you understood the solution, and you will keep solving from the book more and more questions. Okay, thank you.